Hi YouTube, this is Uncle Cal from Ninja and Martial Arts World. This is my battle song attempt. Okay, I've been practicing with it a bit, and I think I've got a general idea. It'll probably look really bad, but I won't cut myself, I assure you. Okay, so. Okay, so that was a tiny battle song attempt, I'm going to call this. Please, I know that didn't look good. I don't want any comments like that. I already know that, but it was just for fun, okay? Alright, video is coming up. Uh, Still work. I need to get another partner for the grappling video, and I'm looking for that. I'm gonna do a staff video tomorrow. Okay, so be looking for that. All right, that's coming up in my battle song attempt. I'll keep working with this. All right, stay tuned. God bless. And be safe out there. It's getting hot outside, so that's why I'm in a t-shirt and not my gi top. Okay. Thank you and God bless. 158. Thank you all.